Summer heat is no joke, and neither is pump failure when water demand is at its peak. If your pump isn't ready for high temperatures and long hours, you're risking costly downtime. Step 1. Check your bearings and lubrication. Heat accelerates wear. Keep everything greased and clean. Step 2. Inspect your motor. Overheating is a silent killer, so make sure airflow is unobstructed and the motor's running cool. Step 3. Clean your intake bell. Debris can choke your flow rate, especially in dry, silty conditions. Step 4. Test your pump under load. A quick run-up now can save hours of emergency calls later. And Step 5. Schedule a full inspection if anything seems off. At Creel Pump, we help you stay ahead of the heat, so your system stays cool, calm, and pumping.